No, sir, this one does not want anyone to get toast. Get ready for photo.
Yeah. Oh! Got that one. Gray car.
Ain't no life in my type better. Ain't no life in my type better. Go find this life in my type better. Go find.
Whoa. Jesus. This dude almost just got ran over in the car wash.
Oh, okay.
Because this person in the Mercedes had their brakes on and then they put it in reverse and what are they doing?
It doesn't do anything except create distrust.
Seriously.
Wow. Oh my God, Dad.
Yeah.
What the crap? Is he for real?
I guess. I've never seen road rage like that before.
I'm a little bit.
That's okay.
Uncomfy.
Yeah,
That's
me
all right.
too. He's just staring us down.
Dude.
Come over, dude.
Oh my gosh.
What an idiot. What an idiot.
Kidding me?
Fucking moron. Dude, what are you fucking doing? You fucking